last but not least, and Congressman, I will come back to you, so I guess Miguel's not the last.
He's the most important one
But
here.
Miguel, tell us, I mean, now, look at this young man. He gets it, right? He's dressed for success, he's dressed for the job he wants, not the job he has, all those good things. So tell us, what's been your experience here? Why are you here?
My experience with P-Tech has overall been great, honestly. I've been able to do so many different things that so many people don't get the opportunity to do on a daily basis. Right now I'm taking college classes at the campus 4 days a week, Monday through Thursday. And then after my college classes, I go to high school. My experience with P-Tech has brought me across internships, job shadows, countless amazing field trips to where we get to see cool facilities like Lockheed Martin. During my internship, I gained so much experience within the work field, and I got to see what it was like to actually be an engineer and work on certain, machinery. When I was there, I assembled high-class folding laundry machines at GA Braun. It was truly an incredible experience. The man who mentored me was a very, very good and considerate human being. He was really happy with how I was willing to learn how to work and with my work ethic. This year being my senior year, it's a very good and amazing opportunity that I'm being provided with all of these college credits because I don't have to pay for any of it. It's one of the biggest things. Or my family now. We graduate high school after an extra year. So after we're done with the 4 years of initial high school, I go on for a 5th year and continue taking classes at OCC. After my 5th year, I graduate with an associate's degree in mechanical engineering. So that is something that it's unfathomable to most people. This opportunity is been truly amazing and has blessed me in so many different ways, honestly.
That's awesome. So Miguel, what was the first manufacturing facility you walked into?
I think that would have to be Lockheed Martin. It was one of the first manufacturing facilities that my school took us to.
Wow, and what were your first thoughts when you walked in?
Well, my first thoughts when I walked in was this place is absolutely incredible. There was so many cool things to see. There was extremely high-tech machinery.
Right.
You got to see tanks. It was awesome. It was truly incredible.
So he really started up here. It's a good thing you didn't walk into self-lock screw products the first time. It might not have been quite as, the wow factor would have been there. So, GA Braun, what was it like the first time you saw washing machines on that level? Like, what thoughts went through your mind?
Well, first, I was like, wow, I get to work on these. That was pretty cool.
Yeah.
And it was just really cool to see how they worked as well.
Sure.
All of the complex folding that the machines did for clothes and cloth and things. It was really incredible. And to know that I was to be a part
Sure.
of the assembly of those things was even better.
Did they tell you where a lot of their products go?
No, not specifically, but I do know that they have a very, very good customer basis.
Right.
So they do sell a lot of things and they're doing very well.
Yeah. Believe it or not, he had a much better job, interning at GA Braun. My first job in manufacturing was at GA Braun, and it was deburring the 1/4-inch holes in perf on washing machines. So they handed me a 3/8 drill motor with a countersink, and they said, just stand here and do that. I was in high school. I was a senior in high school at the time. But you'll never go into a hotel, a hospital, or on a cruise ship again without wondering where's the laundry, because GA Braun's product is there. So that's awesome.